Hi, I'm Natasha Denona. I'm very thrilled to present you my new Bronze Cheek Face Glow Palette. For the first step, I'm starting with the Bounce Cream Blush, which is a little bit iridescent. It gives a beautiful hue to your cheeks and a very soft and natural glow. I recommend applying it with your fingertip or with the makeup sponge. Next, I'm applying the Bounce Cream Glow on the highest points of the cheeks. I'm pressing this gently onto the skin until it melts. I love to use cream glow and cream blushes as a base for the following powder highlighters. That way, it always pops the highlight even more and it gives a natural finish. And now I'm covering all the creams with the Super Glow in the shade Nude. I'm using a blush brush to apply the powder. This powder is packed with a high percentage of pearls, so you can achieve like this instant glow once you start to apply. To finish off this look and to enhance the bronzy shade to your face, I'm picking the Super Glow in the shade Bronze and swiping it softly with very feather-light motions onto the apples of the cheeks. The Super Glow can also be used as an eyeshadow to complete the bronze look.